Welcome to Follow Along Friday. And Follow Along Friday is exactly what it says on the tin, so you don't need to remember anything at all. You don't need to remember any sequences, because we're just going to do all of the regular Tai Chi movements as if they were sort of Qigong type movements. So we're going to repeat each one a few times and I'll slow it down so you'll have a chance to work out the coordination and things. So we're going to begin with our feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to try to imagine there's a string from the ceiling to the top of the head pulling us up, and we're nicely suspended from there. Breathing into the belly, the shoulders are relaxed, and we're starting to concentrate on the breathing. Breathing in, belly goes out. Breathing out and belly goes in. So while we're breathing deeply into the belly, I'm going to bend the knees a little bit, relax into the hips, push down through the feet, relax the shoulders. We end up with a sort of double extension, so we're suspended from the top half and we're pushing through the floor and rooted from the bottom half. Taking nice deep breaths, trying to push the air all the way down into the lower part of the lungs, into the belly, using the belly to squeeze that air back out again. And then we're going to do some breathing regulation. So breathing in, the hands come as far as the shoulders, roll in, breathe out and sink down. Breathe in, out. And then opening the chest, breathing in and out, only taking the arms to shoulder level. Breathe in on the way up and out. Breathe out on the way in and down. Rising, sinking. Sinking the chi. Palms up, breathing in. Gather, push down, breathing out. Palms up, breathing in. Breathing out. You don't have to go high with this if you can't. If you've got shoulder issues or whatever, you can keep it nice and low, just shoulder level. You can do this sitting down as well if you like. Breathing in, lifting up. Breathing out, sinking down. And then we're going to hold the moon, breathing in, breathing out. Keep the hands away from the body, as if you were holding a real beach ball, breathing in and out. And this is the beginnings of our first movement, which is going to be, or form, which is going to be part horse's mane. So now I'm just going to relax for a minute. You can have a little shake out if you like. Now we're going to do part the horse's mane. So holding the ball away from the body with left hand underneath. Bottom up, top down. Only as high as the shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in to hold the ball. Breathing out, so the right hand goes up, left hand goes down. Breathing in, left up, right down. Breathing in, right up, left down. Breathing in. So you breathe in on the preparation, holding the ball, and breathe out, making the movement. And each time you do this, each time you come back to this video, you'll be able to do a bit more. You'll be able to make it rounder, you'll be able to make it stronger, and you'll be able to make it flow more. Then cloud hands, bring that left hand across. Turn the right palm down, swap the hands. Turn from the waist to move the hands. Swap the hands, turn from the waist. Swap the hands, turn from the waist. Swap and turn. Be careful not to overextend and separate your chest from your hips. So for those that have done in-session classes with me or in-person classes with me, we're basically doing a Qigong version of follow along set number 1. And then we're going to go into reverse reading arms. Take the left hand out, right hand to the front. Push the ball forwards. Bring the right hand to the chest. Don't touch. Palm up, right hand out. Push the ball forward. Left hand to the chest. Palm up. Push the ball forward and bring that right hand in at the same time. And if you turn to look at the palm, make sure that movement comes from the hips, not from the chest or the shoulders. Don't worry if you're finding coordination a bit of a problem. This is actually slowed down in the absolute beginners course. Breathing in on the preparation again. Breathing out for the push forward. Breathing in for the preparation. Breathing out for the push forward. And now brush, knee, push. Keep your left hand there. Right hand to the ear. Brush, knee, left. Push with the right. Keep that push in front of the shoulder. Brush, knee, right. Push with the left. Both at the same time. You can keep them separate if it's easier for you. Brush, knee, right. Push with the left. Brush, knee, left. Push with the right. Breathing in for the preparation. Breathing out for the movement. Breathing in and out. Now, as you keep practicing, you can bring this hand in, make it a bit more rounded, so that everything is always moving. Everything's always moving, everything's always changing. It's one of the principles of Tai Chi. So breathing in and breathing out. You may need to keep it much simpler than this if this is your first one. And just keeping it to the front. Brush, knee, and push. Brush, knee, and push, and that's fine. And then the more you practice this as well, if you did this video several times, you would get it eventually. You'd get it in the end, probably quite quickly actually. Now we're going to turn the ball. We're going to do part of the horse's mane again. Bottom up, top down. Breathing in to hold. Breathing out for left up, right down. Breathe in to hold. Right up, left down. Hold. My hand looks like it's coming higher than my shoulder, but I can promise you it's not. If I turn to the side, you'll be able to see that it's just weird camera angles that makes it look like my hand is in the middle of the sky, and it's actually not. So now we're going to put together everything that we've done, and at the end we'll just do a cross hands like this. There is a little step at the end, but I will pre-warn you, and we're going to put it all together into what is our follow along number one. Follow along number one from the beginning, with just one movement each side this time, like we practiced in the Qigong style. With the left foot opening. Commencement. Holding a ball, breathing in. Part the horse's mane, breathing out. Hold a ball. Right up, left down. Cloud hands. Left hand comes across. Move from the waist. Move from the waist. Reverse reading arms. Right out, left to the front. Push the ball forward. Left out, right to the front. Push the ball forward. Brush knee, push. Brush knee left, push with the right. Brush knee right, push with the left. Turn the ball. Step out to the left corner. Part the horse's mane, bottom up, top down. Hold the ball. Step out to the right corner, bottom up, top down. Step back, shoulder width apart. Hold a triangle. Cross hands. Knees are bent. And then as the hands come down, the knees straighten. And I'll see you next Friday for Follow Along Friday.